Once called a third world country, LaGuardia Airport has come full circle and was named Forbes Travel Best Domestic Airport of 2024. LaGuardia Airport has a long history in the New York area, so let's get into it. Starting out as Glen Curtis Airport in the early 1920s. In the 1930s, it was changed to North Beach Airport, and it served mostly seaplanes at that time. When you flew into New York, you actually flew into Newark, even though your ticket said New York City. Now, the story goes that Mayor LaGuardia of New York City had a ticket to fly into New York City, landed in Newark, and would not get off the plane until they took him to New York City. And that was the PR stunt that got just enough public interest to get an airport closer to New York City. And in 1939, the New York Municipal Airport at North Beach was opened. Just a few years later, the airport was renamed LaGuardia Airport after Mayor Fiorello LaGuardia. Now, from 1947 to 2016, we all know the New York area grew, the airport got busier and busier, and really isn't very well maintained. In 2016, a mix of public and private funds of $8 billion was put together to redo the airport. And what few people know is that $4 billion of that came from Delta Airlines. Buildings were put up side by side, walkways and bridges and even parking lots were built and torn down so the airport could keep running. LaGuardia Airport is in New York City. It's on Long Island, and all Long Islanders have something to be proud of. Beautiful airport that we now have to travel in and out of. That is it, everybody. Have a great day.